Want to turn one-time buyers into loyal fans who keep coming back for more? These customer service tricks will take your Poshmark game to the next level and boost your visibility. Number 1, a handwritten thank you note is a sweet personal touch that shows you really go the extra mile as a reseller. But here's where you step it up. Include a discount code around what you'd offer for a bundle, but add an extra 5%. And once they rate and review, if they do, it's no pressure. Just because you don't get one doesn't mean you suck at your job. Follow up with a message like, thank you so much for your lovely rating and review. I hope you're loving your new item. If you're eyeing anything else, don't forget about the discount code in your package. And they can comment this code on an item or use it in their next bundle. This little touch leaves a big impression. Number 2, you don't have to rush to ship an item immediately, but the standard for me is to ship within a day. Once I've shipped, I send a quick message to let them know. Or if I'm shipping later that day, I give them a heads up so they can expect tracking info soon. This little gesture goes a long way in building trust and creating loyal repeat customers. Number 3, a lot of people don't actually know how bundles work. So it's super important to create bundles for everyone, even if they've just liked one item. For example, if someone likes multiple items but hasn't bundled them yet, I'll go ahead and create the bundle for them. Then I leave a comment tagging them saying something like, hey, I noticed you liked a few items, thought I'd make it easy and bundle them for you. Let me know if you have any questions or need more info. And if it's a bundle you really want to close the sale on, go the extra mile and offer a special discount. It's all about making the shopping experience seamless for them. Number 4, here's a thoughtful touch that can save you from headaches later. Include a note in your package with care tips on how to get the most out of the item, especially if it's unique, vintage, or requires special care. Sometimes buyers open cases because they accidentally damage the item simply because they didn't know how to care for it properly. This extra step helps them keep their item in top shape, and it shows that you're all about that next level customer service. Number 5, when running a sale, it's key to give your likers or past buyers a heads up about either a big price drop or offer them a special code word for an exclusive sale during a set time. But here's the trick. Don't overdo it. Space out these sales so you don't overwhelm your buyers or lose that sense of excitement. I like to send a message a week in advance to build anticipation, then a reminder message a couple days before the sale starts. It keeps them interested without getting annoyed. And bonus tip, want to go the extra mile? Before, during, or after a sale, share items from their closet, or better yet, make sure you follow them back. You see something you like, give it a heart, but no pressure. This isn't about making another sale right away. It's about showing them that they mean more than just a transaction and that you're here to keep that connection going. People appreciate that personal touch, and it keeps them coming back to your closet. As a Poshmark reseller, it's all about the small things that make your buyers feel special. These strategies boost your visibility, drive repeat sales, and make you the closet they remember this Q4.